This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming that your Google Voice number is active and able to receive SMS or calls. This matters because WhatsApp needs a verification code. Once signed into Google Voice, make sure your WhatsApp app is installed and you've backed up chats to Google Drive. This preserves history. Now open WhatsApp. Choose Settings Account Change Number. Enter your current WhatsApp number, then the Google Voice number as the new number, and proceed to request verification. Once you request verification, WhatsApp will attempt SMS first. You should receive the 6-digit code in your Google Voice inbox or forwarded SMS. Open it and enter the code. If SMS does not arrive, select the call option. WhatsApp will call your Google Voice number and speak the code. Answer in the Google Voice app or linked phone. Enter the spoken digits exactly. Make sure to allow notifications and SMS permissions so messages land without delay, because repeated attempts can trigger temporary locks. After entering the code, WhatsApp registers your Google Voice number. Check your profile to confirm it shows correctly and restore the chat backup if needed. If verification fails or you hit a retry limit, pause and wait 24 hours. This prevents lockouts. Then try the call verification. If you never receive SMS or calls, make sure Google Voice forwarding is enabled. The app has SMS and call permissions, and network connectivity is stable. One troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode briefly, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.